It's a good afternoon. How are you? God bless you so much. Today I feel like talking to people. Vaya vanoti takanzwa pastor vachideedzera vakati, come and receive Jesus Christ and all your troubles will be over. Receive Jesus Christ and you will be healed. Receive Jesus Christ and you have so many cars. You may have gotten at a crusade and I might have sung Tinoda Makomborero. And you say to yourself, Yazo kwana nguva yekuwa na Makomborero. I want this Christ. Ndiwane Makomborero. That was the push you had, because the man who was behind the words, the man who was behind the pulpit, the woman who was behind the pulpit was saying, come to this Jesus and you are going to receive your miracle. Come to this Jesus and you are going to receive your car. Come to Jesus Christ and you are going to be healed instantly. You are looking at me right now and perhaps you haven't been healed to date. Welcome to reality. I just want to congratulate you and say welcome to reality. We do not get saved to get miracles. We do not get saved to buy cars. We do not get saved to be healed. We get saved for love, for the love of God. For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whoever believes in him should not perish but have eternal life. We give our lives to Christ so that we can have eternity, so that we can have eternal life. It's about saving our souls. What am I saying? Healing is in the Lord. Riches are in the Lord. He decides when and what to bless you with. You don't say, nekuti ndauya saka ndakuda A, B, C, D. It does not work like that. Let me tell you about some people that I know, that I have come across in the Bible. They would wear a job. Righteous. Apana chikumbonzi unokanganisa. You understand? You are perfect before God. Asimari na Satan. Ovava kuronga. Kutokurongera. Kunzi hanzi mubvisire zvese zvamakamukomberedza nazvo Mwari. Not because anicha kanganisa, not because as righteous, but to prove that you can love God for who he is. That we do not love God for what we get from God. We love God for who he is, for the grace that he has shown us. For him just being God,